Hi everyone, welcome to Edupedia world. This is Varun Ganga. Guys, in the last session we have seen some examples, that is how to find cubes of a given two-digit number by using Anurupiana Sutra. And in this session, with regard to same concept, we are going to see some more examples in finding the cubes of a two-digit number by applying Anurupiana Sutra. Now let us see what the example that I am going to take in this session. The example that I am going to take in this session is find the cube of 84. So guys, in order to find the cube of 84 by applying Anurupiana Sutra, we use the Anurupiana Sutra in the following way. Actually, the procedure of Anurupiana Sutra has 3 rows of different parts of process. Now, let us see what is the first row on the process that are included in it. Now coming to the first row, the first part, what we have to do here is, we have to cube the digit that is in tens place of the given number. So here in the given number 84, the digit in tens place is 8, and by cubing the number 8, we will get 512 as the answer. Now moving to the second part, here we have to multiply the square of digit in tens place with the digit in ones place. So here in the number 84, the digit in tens place is 8 and the digit in ones place is 4. Now by squaring 8, that is 8 square into 4, we will get 64 into 4, and which is equal to the answer 256. Now moving to third part, here we have to multiply the digit in tens place with the square of the digit in ones place. So here 8 into 4 square is equals to 8 into 16, which is equals to 128. Now finally moving to the fourth part of the first row process, here we have to cube the digit in ones place. So here in the number 84, the ones place digit is 4, and by cubing the number 4 we will get 64. Now after getting the first part, second part, third part and fourth part of the first row answers, we have to write all these answers sequentially in the following way. After writing the first part, second part, third part and fourth part of the first row answers like this, now let us move on to the second row process. So here in the second row, the first part, what we have to do here is, we have to double the second part of the first row answer. So here in the first row, the second part answer what we have got is 256, and if you double the number 256, we will get 512 as the answer. Now moving to second part, again we have to double the third part of the first row answer. So here in the first row, the third part answer what we have got is 128, and if you double the number 128, we will get 256 as the answer. Now after getting the first part, the second part of the second row answers, what we have to do here is, we have to write these two answers below the first row in the following way. At first we have to write the first row answers, that is first, second, third and fourth part, and below it we have to write the second row, so that the first part and the second part of the second row should be written below the second part and the third part of the first row answer. Now after writing like this, just place a horizontal bar like this. Okay. Now let us move on to the third row. So here in the third row, what we have to do here is, we have to sum up all the first row and the second row answers. So here in the third row, we are going to add all the answers what we have got. So here in the fourth part, we don't have any digits to add, so therefore I am just going to write this answer as it is, 64 like this. And in the third part, we are having two numbers, that is 128 and 256. By adding these two, we will get 384 as the answer. And in the second part, we are having 256 and 512. By adding these two, we will get 768 as the answer. And in the first part, we don't have any other numbers to add up, so we have to write this 512 as it is. And now let us place one more horizontal bar like this. Now after getting the first, second, third and fourth part, the third row, what we have to do here is, we have to add up all these digits by using some special additions and carry-ons. So here in the fourth part, what we are having is a two-digit number. Here we should not get any two-digit numbers. There should be only a single-digit number. So what we are going to do here is, we are going to take the digit in ones place, that is 4, and we are going to write it in the answer like this. And the remaining number 6 should be taken as carry on. Now by adding 384 with the carry on 6, we will get 390, but 390 is a 3-digit number, but there should be only one digit, so we are going to take the digit that is in ones place, that is 0, and we are going to write that 0 in the answer like this, and the remaining number 39 should be taken as carry on to the second part. So again, by adding 768 with the carry on 39, we will get 807. But 807, it is a 3-digit number, so guys, we have to take the digit in ones place, that is 7, and we have to write it in the answer, and the number 80 should be taken as carry on to the first part. Now by adding 512 with the number 80, that is carry on, we will get 592. Since there is no other parts to take carry ons, we have to write the whole answer, that is 592, as it is in the first part. Now by combining all the digits, that is 592704, we get the required answer for the cube of 84, and therefore we can say that 84 cube is equals to 592,704. So guys, this is the way how we can use Anurupiana Sutra in finding the cube of a given 2-digit number. I hope you have understood pretty well how to use this Anurupiana Sutra in finding the cube of a 2-digit number. And in the next session, we are going to see some more examples regarding the same Anurupiana Sutra. Now for watching this, thank you, have a nice day.